everyone. So welcome back to my channel. For today's sessions, I will be doing a demonstration how you can use Google Classroom as a tool to assess or to help teachers and students in classroom learning and teaching delivery process. So right now, for example, I will. So first of all, you need to create your Google account or your Gmail. If you have the school email, um, that is beneficial because some organizations or institution has email and they have large capacity storage for Google Drive. So for example, this is my, so I will go to Google first, google.com. So I'm already signed in. So I will need to switch to the teacher's account. So this is my email for the teacher's account, and then I'll just close other tabs. Then I will go to Google Apps right here. So you have a lot of apps or services from Google. You have Gmail, Google Drive, Documents, Sheets, Slides, and so on and so forth. And then you have your Google Classroom right here. Just click this one. Okay, just click that, and then you will be um, you will have the Google Classroom interface right here. So as you can see, I don't have classes right now. So above right here on the right part portion, you have the plus sign in the Google Apps, right? Then you can click the plus sign and then you can choose whether you want to join the class. Even if you are a teacher, you can still join the class. You will have an option for that, and then you can also create a class. So since this is my account and I'm the teacher, I will create a class. So the class name, so it's up to you what is the name of your class. But in my case, I usually put the year, school year 2020 and 2021. So the class name is grade 7. Grade 7. And the section is Cooper. And the subject is about computer, ICT. And then our room is at 102. So these are just an example in creating your class. So just simply click create. Okay, and then while we are waiting, I will open a new tab for this one. And this tab is actually for the student account. So as you can see, this is the student account. I will go to Google, google.com. This is the student account. This is actually another email of mine. So just simply go to Google Apps and go to Classroom. This is the student account. And for the student account, so far I don't have classes here as of the moment. And going back to the teacher's account, it was successful. As you can see, this is the interface or the stream page of my one of my Google Classroom. So 2020 school year 2020 to 2021 grade 7. The section is Cooper, and right here you will see the code. And this class code is very unique. So my advice to you, if you want to invite some students or legitimate students, I want you to share this only to those students. And then you can also generate Google Meet right over here. So you can simply copy this one and send it to your student. Um, as simple as that. So this is a string. Let's discuss the string. So you right here, you can simply post. It's like a social media. You can post, but only those people who are in this classroom will be able to see and comment on this one. So I just create a simple post. Hello, everyone. Welcome. There. And then on the post option, you can schedule this one when it will be posted, or if this is not final yet, then you can simply save draft for the meantime. But since this is final, then I can post it. And by the way, you can also add some file or attachment to your post. like a link or a file or a YouTube video. Just I will just post this one. And since when I go to, okay, we have four tabs right here. This is the teacher's account. We have the classroom. Um, so this is the stream right here. And then the classroom wherein you can create assignments, quiz assignment, question, material, and other topics. And also you can create a meet or set a calendar, and then you can access the class drive folder wherein all of the files of this particular class will be um, uploaded to that folder. And then you can go to people. When you go to people, as you can see, teacher, I can invite teacher. Simply click on the email and then invite. Just click invite, and they will receive a notification on their end. And for a student, so I can invite student. I can send an email. I mean, I can search their names if they are on my contacts, or I can simply search their email address and then click invite. That is my option, or the option of the teacher to invite students in this classroom. But for the student's account, there is also an option for the student to join the class. So this is the student account. I don't have classes yet. So I am the student, and then I just click this one and join class. So once I click the join class, it requires the code. So the code, where can I find the code? It's on the stream right here. So as I mentioned earlier, you need to copy this one and send it to your students, and then they can simply do this. Like they can go to this right here, the plus sign, then join class, and then they just simply copy and paste the code and then join. Then automatically the student will be able to access the classroom. So as you can see, this is the student's account. And on the stream, I can see classwork. I mean, on the stream, I can see the post of my teacher, and also I can see the classroom work. And also I can see the people included in this classroom. Okay, so in the classroom, so this is the teacher's account. So in the classroom, so for example, I will create an assignment. So create assignment. So you can put the title for this one. So this is going to be the assignment one, orientation, for example. So it is the first day of class. So assignment one, instructions. So you can add instruction to this one. So for example, um, you can, like for example, on the first day, please click the link below for the general meeting. Okay, for the first general meeting, please click the link or the Google Meet link below for the first general meeting. And then you can simply add, you can also add for this particular assignment, you can add link or file, YouTube account or YouTube videos rather. Then you can create or add something to it. So on this particular um, account. So for example, that is the link. So for example, I will create a link. So I need to create a a meeting first. I will need to go to the, since I mentioned that I need to create a meeting for that. So just simply open a new tab for the classroom again, and then choose. So you can have a lot of sections or classes right here. So for now, I have only one. So I will go. Okay, got it. So this is the teacher's account. So I will go to classroom, and then I will generate a link. So I will go to classroom. So I have here assignments and everything, but I have the assignment one orientation already created. So every time you create something, it will automatically reflect on your Google Classroom. And if you made the changes, it will automatically save. So as you can see on the classroom, I have one assignment, but it's still on process. So I will click meet and generate meeting, or generate a meet, and then I will just copy this one. Copy, and then I will just paste it right here. There. So that is the first assignment. And as I mentioned, you can add another instructions below, like for example, another instructions like number two, click on the Google form to submit your responses, something like that. So responses. Click on the link, click on the Google form for responses. Okay, excuse, on the link below for your Google form responses. And then I can simply create, yep, I can simply create a Google form. Then it will open, or it will add, yes, it will open a link for the Google form, and it will add right here. So I will create this one, your responses. Your responses. So you can have a description for that. So for example, the meeting's great. Is the meeting okay? This is just an example. So you will have a checkbox or a drop box if you want. So option one, great, and option two, not so, not not so great. Okay, that is, we will have a different session for the Google form for this one. So for this, I will have another session for that. So for this one, for the Google form, you can click required. So this question should be um, required before they submit. So they cannot skip this one. This is just one question. And then for the form right here, you can go to the settings. In general, you can collect all email address before they do the response, and restrict user. No, I will not restrict this for my particular department. I will just limit one response. They can edit after submit. No, okay. Presentation, quizzes. Make a quiz. You can also make a quiz if you want. Well, we will have a different discussion for that. So just simply click save. And there you go. I can simply close this one, and I will I think we're good to go. This is just a few example that I am doing. So I will click assign, or I will just click schedule or save draft. Then I can go back and save it again. But for now, I will just assign this so that I could see on the students end what will be the interface, or what are the options. As you can see, stream, when I go to stream, I have right here, this is still the teacher's account. I can see my assignment created. So let me go to the student's account. So let me refresh this one. As you can see earlier, I did a comment, or the teachers, or my account. Hello everyone, and the student can reply, hi, hi sir. And then the teacher could see that. And then it will be posted right here. So as a student, I can go to the assignment, and then this is the assignment. So I can click this one for the Google Meet, and or so allow, then we can do a meeting for this one. Okay, and then for the Google form, so I can click that one, then I can submit. Just type your email and then choose create. I can submit and send me a copy of response. I can go back right here. So that is the Google Classroom. So thank you very much.